my beer fridge and all the beers.
Welcome to Cribs. Tonight
all the beers.
with Ryan, showing us round his crib.
This is my fridge,
This is your wardrobe.
my wardrobe fridge. It has clothes and meat. Everything you need.
Oh, everything you need.
Everything you need to live.
What's over here? If you
That's
want
my
to.
heater. The heat the crib.
What's in the heater?
The best thing to heat stuff with. Fried chicken.
Oh, lovely.
The best heating material you can buy.
What's in this heater?
This heater has chippies.
Ah, the pourer of the heating
Or
substances.
needed, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's for my bath later.
Yeah, I see you've got nice lights up as well.
Yep.
Are these new? I haven't seen these before.
These new, I've only just installed them. Got them freshly installed.
Well, it's very important to get good tradesmen in.
The tradesman. I believe he's a tradesman. He may have been a homeless man. But he helped nevertheless.
I see you have a view of some fire.
Yep. The fire just moved in. Not sure
Oh, it's
how
a
we're gonna-
recent fire.
Yeah, not sure how we're going to get on yet, but hopefully they'll be good neighbours. And these people just turned up as well. I think they know the fire.